Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 23rd of July 2018. Okay guys, we have another successful day with trading and I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. So this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. Euro USD with a bearish expectation from my side. The entry was 117160 and the target price is 116490. And guys, you can see a drop on Euro USD today and it's making the downward momentum on the 1 hour chart. Also, if you go to the 4 hour chart, then you will find that the market is getting rejection from the top overbought levels. I'm talking about the top red boundary. The market is getting a rejection from that level, and overall Euro USD is down as per the signals report. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions on Euro USD today, they must have taken a decent profit. Okay, still the signal isn't expired. If it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can go up to it can go up to 116490. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, the second signal of my signals report. A bearish signal was supplied in case of New Zealand USD. Let me switch my chart here. Okay, the entry was 068083. You can see 068083, and the target price was 067680, and you can see the market is almost near to the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions on New Zealand USD today, they must have taken a very good profit by trading this pair. Okay, now let's talk about another trade that is taken on Great Britain pound USD. That's a bearish trade from my side. The bearish trade was a suggestion. 131288 was the sell entry and 130650 is the target price, and you can see the drop in front of your eyes, and still it's making the bearish pattern, and maybe it is going to hit the target price within a few hours. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions, they must have taken a profit on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. A bullish signal was supplied. A strength was expected in the morning, and I have supplied the bullish signal from 111050, and the target price was 111680. And you can see USDJPY has finally moved up, and it's almost near to the targeted price. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on USDJPY, it has made a recovery, and they must have taken a decent profit. A drop that is seen today on USD AUDJPY. A clear bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 074138, and the target price was 073696. And guys, you can see that we have a big drop on AUDJPY, and the market has almost touched the 073696 levels. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on 200forexpips.com recommendations. They must have taken a very good profit by trading this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USDCHF. This signal hasn't fully expired, but I'm giving it here. 099198 was the bullish entry from my side, and the target price is 099738. And you can see that we are expecting the upward trend from last 4 hours, and it's making the upward momentum. If it continues to go up like this, then it can reach out to 099738. So guys, if you want to trade this pair, then you can trade because this signal hasn't fully expired. Now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. It's making the upward momentum, and you can see just a second please, let me switch it. Okay, now look at here, USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 099198, and the target price is 099738. Sorry, that's wrong. USD Canadian dollar here, 131425 was the bullish entry, and the target price was 132158. And you can see right from the bullish entry, it is making a strong bullish pattern on the chart, and those subscribers who have taken the buy positions from here, they must have taken a profit already on USD Canadian dollar, and this signal hasn't fully expired till now. Okay, a slow day has been seen on Great Britain pound JPY. Overall, it has kept itself in a range. However, 200forexpips.com recommendation is bullish on Great Britain pound JPY. 145912 was the entry, and you can see that the market has already above the entry from many hours, but it is going nowhere. It is just stable. So guys, whenever you see that the pair is stuck to a certain level, it's better to exit. Those subscribers who have profitable, who have a smaller profits at the moment on Great Britain pound JPY, I recommend them to close the trades because it is showing us a slow momentum, so it's not very good. So we will come up with the market tomorrow, and then we will give the signal when the market will be in a good rhythm. Okay, at last I'm going to talk about AUDJPY. So guys, I have supplied the bearish signal in case of AUDJPY. 82298 was the entry, and the target price was 81893. And still again, the same thing that happened with Great Britain pound JPY. It's AUDJPY is also leaning on the level. They are showing no activity, they are showing no momentum. So guys, we will trade this pair tomorrow in a better way. So when the market is slow, it's always better to get out of the trade. That's more sufficient. Moreover guys, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary, like you can see here on AUDJPY, the market entered in the top red boundary. Also we have received a sell signal from the scalper, the market is down, and when it enters into the lower red boundary, that's the time to take the buy positions. And look, the market has moved up, and also the scalper has pointed you with a couple of white arrows, and then the market has moved up. And this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.